Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Stripe inside of North Commerce. So we have North Commerce installed and we're on the overview page of North Commerce. What I'm going to do is click on the integrations tab at the top here. Then I see Stripe right here along with an array of other payment providers and third-party services. And what I'm going to do is I can click on this gear icon or I can click on this toggle here. When a toggle is grayed out like this means that it is inactive and has no connection with that service. So in this case, I'm going to click on the toggle here. It's going to open up my this modal here to connect with Stripe, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Connect with Stripe. And then what's going to ask me to do is to sign into Stripe and then select the Stripe account that I want to add. So in this case, I'll add this North Demo Stripe, and I'll hit Connect. It'll require you to log in or confirm again if you didn't just log in, and if there's any sort of two-factor authentication, it'll ask for that as well. We'll complete that. It'll redirect us back to confirm that this is the Stripe account that we want to integrate, and I'll go ahead and hit Connect. And that'll load and redirect us back to the North Commerce plugin. So it's just saving everything in the database, and I'll hit save to confirm the connection. And now I'll see that by default Stripe is in test mode. If I want to switch out of test mode, I can click on this toggle here, and then that'll set Stripe to live mode, so you can now accept live payments. If you're just building your store and you want to test things out, you can just toggle back to test mode and then be able to use the Stripe credit card number to make fake purchases in order to purchase things from your store to make sure it's working. If you want to remove your Stripe account from this North Commerce plugin or from this WordPress instance, you can click on the gear icon here, give it a second to load, and then click on Remove Stripe Integration. And once it's removed, you'll see that it's grayed out, and that is how you integrate Stripe to North Commerce.